Hi everyone, welcome to School Coaching Point. Today we will discuss few important concepts of trigonometric ratios from class 10. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. You can download the PDF from the link given in the description box. So let's move to the topic trigonometric ratio. So today we will discuss trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. So how many trigonometric ratios? There are 6 trigonometric ratios. So first one is sine theta. This is sine theta. Second one cos theta. Third tan theta. Fourth cot theta. Fifth sec theta. And the sixth one cosec theta. So these are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta, where theta is one of the acute angle of a right angle triangle. So theta means this is an angle. Theta is the value of a particular angle of one of the acute angles. The angle should be an acute angle of a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle we know there are 2 acute angles. So theta represent one of the acute angles of a right angle triangle. So that is, in diagram we can represent this way. So here this is a right angle triangle. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Suppose we consider angle C is theta. So in this right angle triangle there are 2 acute angles. Angle A and C are the acute angle. Suppose we consider angle C as theta. Similarly we can consider A also as theta, because theta is one of the acute angle of the right angle triangle. So in this triangle ABC we can consider A is also theta. It's not necessary every time you should take C as theta. You can take A also. So A is angle theta, or either angle C is theta. So next, now we should know the relation between the trigonometric ratios. So relationship between trigonometric ratios. So what are the relationship between trigonometric ratios? We should know the relation among the trigonometric ratios. So number 1, sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to one another. Sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to one another. So this is one of the important point you should remember. Sin and cosec are reciprocal to one another. So reciprocal means that is sin theta. We can write sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. Sin theta we can write 1 by cosec theta because they are reciprocal. Similarly, cosec theta is also equals to sin by 1 by sin theta because they are reciprocal to one another. So sin and cosec are reciprocal. Point number 2, tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to one another. So tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal. Tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to one another. So that is tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, or we can write cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, because tan and cot are reciprocal to one another. So next, number 3, cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal to one another. Cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal to one another. So that is cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, or you can write sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So cos and sec are reciprocal to one another. Point number 4, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So this is very important, you should remember. Tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta, because cot theta equal to why cos theta by sin theta, because we know cot and tan are reciprocal to one another. So if tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, so obviously cot theta will be what? Cos theta by sin theta, because cot and tan are reciprocal, we have already learned. So 1 by tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, so 1 by sin theta by cos theta, so it becomes cos theta by sin theta. So it becomes cos theta by sin theta. Next, point number 6. So what is the point number 6? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this is also a very important relationship. So you should remember cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Number 7, 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to what? Sec square theta. So next point number 8, 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta. So this is one of the important relationship. So there are 8 important points. So every important point you should remember. So next topic is trick to find the table for trigonometric ratios. So this is very important. You should know the value of each trigonometric ratios. So basically angles we are taking from 0 to 90 degree. So what are the steps? Steps number 1. So how to find the values of sine? We should learn first. So what are the values of theta? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So step number 1. So step number 1, give serial number from 0 to 4. Give serial number from 0 to 4 in the respective column of sine. So give serial number from 0 to 4 in the respective column of sine. So in sine, so we should give the serial number starting from 0 to 4. So start with 0, next will be 1, next 2, 3 and 4. That means give the serial number from 0 to 4 in the respective column of sine. This is step number 1. Next, step number 2. Dividing each number. So we have already given the serial number from 0 to 4. Now dividing each number by 4 and find the square root of each. Dividing each number by 4 and find the square root. So what is the meaning of the line? So we have already given the serial number from 0 to 4. Now dividing each number by 4. That means 0 dividing by 4. So it's 1 dividing by 4, 2 dividing by 4, 3 dividing by 4 and 4 dividing by 4. So 0 dividing by 4 means it's 0 is equals to 0. 1 by 4 it will be remain 1 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 3 by 4 remain it will be 3 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. So once again, step number 2, dividing each by 4 and find the square root. Now we have to find out the square root. So square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4. What is the square root of 1 by 4? So it equals to 1 by 2. Next, square root of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by root 2, because square root of 1 is 1. Then square root of 3 by 4. Square root of 3 by 4 equals to root 3 by 2, because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 3 is root 3, and square root of 1 is equals to 1. So what are the values of sine? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So dividing serial number by 4 and finding the square root. So square root of 1 is 1. So step number 3. So we already find the values of sine. So how can we find the values of cos? So it's very simple. For find the values of cos, simply write down the values of sine in reverse order. Write down the values of sine in reverse order. So we know the values of sine. So for finding the values of cos, simply we need to write down the values of sine in reverse order. So what is the meaning of reverse order? So sine 90 is 1. So in the fourth, sine 90 is 1. So for cos 0, it will be 1. Writing the values in reverse order. Similarly, 60 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30 should be root 3 by 2. So 45 is in the middle. So it will be 1 by root 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. And cos 0 will be 0. So simply writing the values of sine in reverse order. So it's 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So next, so we get the values sine and cos. So it's already done, finding the values of sine and cos in the previous step. Now we need to find the value of tan. So in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios, we have already discussed tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. So this thing we have already discussed in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. Now we need the value for 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree. So tan 0. So replacing the theta by 0. So tan 0 is equals to, so tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So it should be sine 0 by cos 0. So sine 0 by cos 0. What is the value of sine 0? Is 0. Sine 0 degree is 0. Cos 0 degree is 1. So 0 by 1 means 0. So tan 0 degree is equals to 0. So next, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, exactly same process, sine 30 by cos 30, replacing theta by 30 degree. So sine 30 by cos 30. So sine 30, what is the value of sine 30? We know 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So is equals to 2 you can cancel. So it becomes 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. So next, tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equals to sine 45 by cos 45. So sine 45 we know the value. Sine 45 is how much? It's 1 by root 2. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So what is the value of cos 45? Is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. So it becomes 1. So tan 45 is equals to 1. Next, tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equals to sine 60 by cos 60. Tan 60 is equals to what? Sine 60 by cos 60. So sine 60 means, what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So root 3 is the answer. So tan 60 is equals to root 3. Next, tan 90. So tan 90. So same process, tan 90 is equals to sine 90 by cos 90. Sine 90 by cos 90. So sine 90, what is the value of sine 90? Is equals to 1. And cos 90 is equals to 0. So 1 by 0 means undefined. We know that in the denominator there should not be any 0. So 1 by 0 is equals to undefined. So 1090 is undefined. We cannot find out the value. Next, cot, sec and cosec. Now we have to find the value of cot. So we know that tan and cot are reciprocal. So we have already learned in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. So reciprocal we have already learned. So the values of tan theta for 0 to 90 degree, we get the values. So cot 0 degree, so it should be 1 by tan 0 degree. So 1 by tan 0 degree, tan 0 is 0. So 1 by 0 is undefined. So 1 by 0 is undefined. That means cot 0 degree is undefined. So cot 0 degree, how much we got? Is undefined. Next, cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree is equals to 1 by tan 30 degree. Cot 30 equals to 1 by tan 30. So 1 by tan 30, what is the value of 30 degree? Is 1 by root 3 is equals to root 3. So cot 30 is equals to root over 3. Then next, cot 45 degree is 1 by tan 45. So value of the tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 by 1 equals to 1. So cot 45 is 1. Next, cot 60 degree. So cot 60 degree equals to 1 by tan 60 degree equals to 1 by tan 60 degree, how much? Tan 60 degree is root over 3. So 1 by root 3. Then the last one, cot 90 degree. So cot 90 is 1 by tan 90. So tan 90 degree is, what is the value of tan 90 degree? Is undefined. So it should be 1 by undefined. 1 by undefined we should write. And undefined means what? 1 by 0, 1 by 1 by 0. Instead of undefined we should write 1 by 0. So it becomes reciprocal. So 1 into 0 by 1. So 1 into 0 by 1 equals to 0. So cot 90 degree is equals to 0. So we have seen that the values of cot are what? Exactly reverse of the values of tan. Values of cot are the reverse of values of tan. So next we need to find the value of sec and cosec. So we know that sec and cos are reciprocal. So sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. So we have already learned in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, reciprocal. So first is sec 0 degree. That means theta is 0. So sec 0 degree equals to 1 by cos 0 degree. So 1 by cos 0 degree means 1 by 1. Cos 0 is 1. What is the value of cos 0 degree? So it is 1. So 1 by 1 equals to 1. So sec 0 degree is 1. Next, sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree. So sec 30 is 1 by cos 30 is equals to 1 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2 is equals to 2 by root 3. So sec 30 is equals to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next, sec 45 degree. Sec 45 degree is 1 by cos 45. So 1 by cos 45 means 1 by root 2. So it becomes root 2. So sec 45 degree is equals to root 2. Next, sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree, 1 by cos 60 degree. So is equals to 1 by cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So sec 60 degree is equals to 2. Next, sec 90 degree. So 1 by cos 90 degree. So 1 by 0, cos 90 is 0. So 1 by 0 means undefined. So sec 90 is undefined. Sec 90 degree is equals to undefined. So move to the last one, cosec. So we know cosec and sine are reciprocal. So we know that cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. They are reciprocal. We have learned in the relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree is equals to 1 by sine 0. So 1 by sine 0 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. So cosec 0 degree is undefined. Cosec 0 degree how much? Is undefined. So next, cosec 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree is equals to 1 by sine 30. So 1 by sine 30 is 1 by 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So cosec 30 is 2. So next, cosec 45 degree is 1 by sine 45. So is 1 by sine 45 means 1 by root 2 is equals to root 2. So cosec 45 is root 2. So in the previous step, we get the values of cosec for 0, 30 and 45. Now cosec 60 degree is equals to 1 by sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60 degree? Is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2 is equals to 2 by root 3. So cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Next, cosec 90 degree. So cosec 90 is 1 by sin 90 degree. So 1 by sin 90 is 1. So 1 by 1 equals to 1. So cosec 90 degree is 1. So we have seen that the values of cosec are what? The reverse of the values of sec. That means writing the values of sec in reverse order, we get the values of cosec. That is, the values of cosec are the reverse of the values of sec. That means whatever the values of sec, we are writing in reverse order, we get the values of cosec. Exactly for tan and cot also same. For values of cot, we need to write the values of tan in reverse order. We need to write down the values of tan in reverse order. So cos is also, the values of cos are what? Writing the values of sine in reverse order.